So this is what happens. This is what happens when a car goes by. People throw snowballs. People are throwing snowballs right now. Snowballs, guns. There's another car, and here comes snowballs at the top. Oh, red one there. And welcome to WU, motherfucker. Couch burning right near my house. Right near my house. There's a car coming. Too bad they cannot get by a couch burning. It's cigarette, dude. That's a couch. That's a fucking couch on fire. They're burning right now. Insane right now. That thing is on fire. I can't believe it's that thing. There's a car waiting. The car has no chance. Yeah, no. Thing's on fire. Let's get a bus for another hour. We're gonna wait till car for the fucking insane right now. I cannot believe it. Hey, back up! Come on, look at this dude. Everyone's around that shit. Yo, Nick, chill out! It's so shit. Nick! Snowboarder. What happened to this? Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy right now. This is crazy. Fucking crazy. Look at that. Look at this. You can't get by. There's an ambulance at the end. They can't get by. They're not going to be able to get by. They're going to take a cut. Yeah, I will leave after. I'm not leaving now. I think it's almost that. There's that car. Someone said ambulance, right? I got it, dude. I have all this right now. This thing's on fire. Dude, wait on there, no one! There's no fucking... That's burn! If you break me my shirt, dude. Yeah, that thing's on fire. God. That thing is dead. Look at everybody here. Everyone's trying to chip. There's a dog out here. What's the kid? My parents is fucking killed me. Definitely, I'll fucking do this shit easy. What was this, dude? Fucking easy. Oh my shit, there's a fucking fire. It's so fucking crazy. Fucking so crazy. It's a frame now, it's a metal frame, that's all it is. Yeah, I know, it's fucking almost dead.